You see, that's how you gotta have it. Burnt. Burnt. More burnt.
It's not burnt.
What's up, Arcade Brigade?
Oh,
shoot.
watch out.
So, we took a shower and are about to cook our own dinner because Popeyes did not have a chicken sandwich.
Oh, these mother suckers.
We can get something else.
We're gonna pull up.
We can still try
Say,
something else.
I had a sandwich.
You wanna try something else?
Yeah, let's do some. Oh, here? No.
Okay.
I want to. No. I'm just here for the sandwich. That is crazy. You gonna run out still, bro? Man, this is really cracking that thing, bro. I don't know if I want to try it anymore. What you think?
I wanna try it.
I still do too. Wait.
How do you run out of chicken sandwiches if that's what you're supplying?
They too focused on the rest of the restaurant. People don't like Popeyes no more. They just want the sandwich.
That's sad.
I mean, it's not sad. It's not sad.
And they have a spicy one too.
Yeah.
That's probably good.
That one goes out first.
So, what are we cooking?
Look at you. But we're going to cook. It's still a sandwich, but kielbasa. I don't even know what it's called. It's kielbasa melt.
Kielbasa melt sandwich?
Yep.
I can't wait to eat it 'cause I'm hungry. And I haven't really eaten that much today. So let's cook it.
Shame on you.
What
Let's
do we
get
need
started.
to cook this?
First, we need the kielbasa.
Kielbasa. Which costs like what?
This big pack right here costs $8.99. Family
So
size, so it'll last you at least 3 to 4 meals. So it's a good price. Ooh, put that up there. I have mayo for this.
Show the mayo. Show it.
Mayo.
It deserves to be seen. Mayo.
The dinner rolls or the bread that the sandwich is gonna be in, because you know the kielbasa is long. It gotta fit in the bun. Feel me on that? You know what I mean? You picking up what I'm putting down?
Maybe.
Pepperoncinis,
The best part.
because we don't have any onions here, and I feel like this would be good with onions and like for some reason I want to say sauerkraut, but I never eat sauerkraut. I don't even know what that stuff smells like or tastes
I
like.
think pepperoni is a good choice. Even I wouldn't put onions on it. I mean, I guess that would be good with pepperonis, but onions are sometimes too much for me. I like the pepperoni.
And cheese. So I had cheese on it last, but I had shredded cheese. So now
No.
you use sliced cheese, sharp cheddar, and Swiss. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started.
So, are you gonna take over this? Cause this is your dish.
Sure.
I don't really know what you
So you gotta let it drip if you're trying to drip. So
do. What drip?
the drip. Can you see? Oh yeah, it's wet. You see it? It drip right there. It drip.
Keeping your hair moisturized.
So it can curl. You know what I mean? So first thing we're gonna do is I would recommend grilling this, but I do not have access to a grill right now, so you could either fry it on the stove top at medium low or medium high. Cut the. Should I show this? No.
Do it. Oh.
No.
Okay.
Because I'm doing it differently. But you can cut it in half, fry it on one side, flip it the other, or you can keep the whole length together and you can air fry it.
Ooh.
To get that same crunchy feeling, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I set the oven to 420. You know, that's a good number. But set to 420, and I cook it till it's about, honestly, dark brown.
Burnt.
Not burnt. Right before burnt. Like the outside is gonna be burnt. You know, you get that crunch, that casing crunch.
It's the best part.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the first part for the meat. Super simple.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, for the bread. Really easy. You gotta toast the bread.
Toasted up.
And then I'm gonna toast it.
You're ruining it.
It's stud.
Bad bread. Bad. Bad bread.
I'm gonna toast it with the cheese.
Ooh la la. Where are you toasting it?
In the toaster oven.
In the toaster oven?
It's not that exciting.
That is exciting.
No, really.
Yes, it is.
So, as you're seeing, I'm splitting the sliced cheese in half so you know it can fit upon the halves of the bread. I'm honestly gonna just pick a different roll and I'm gonna save that for another time because that's ruining the vibe.
Are you really gonna eat that?
I'll eat it later when I have less beauty standards when it comes to food.
Good to know.
I split. No. Damn, this one sucks too. Wait a minute.
Hold up. Be a good bread.
They didn't cut it all the way.
Don't blame them.
I am.
It's you.
Look away.
Back again. Oh, you got lucky. 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 Good for you, God. Good for you.
Alright, for now.
Good job.
Cheese on bread.
You're making me trip over you. Move.
Cheese on bread.
Cheese on bread.
It's the bread with cheese on it.
Looks good. That's gonna be melted cheese. And how long?
So, I don't have a specific time, so I keep an eye on it. But I would recommend probably around 400 for 6 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Like, it really depends on the positioning of the bread inside that toaster. So you never know. Keep a close eye on it.
What's next, boss?
That's it for now.
Ooh, that's it?
Yeah.
That's all we have to do?
Well, while we have the meat cooking, the bread's toasting, and we just put the toppings on later.
Okay.
It's a real simple one this week.
Well.
Thanks, Chick-fil-A. Oh wait,
Popeyes.
Thank them too. Because they support Trump, so I'm down with them.
Ooh.
Yo.
Our cabinet.
Our cabinet.
We need to clean that.
Okay.
Alright, well, we'll be back.
Be back. Are they done?
Are they? I think so.
Man.
You see, it's bubbling.
Take it out.
I can't just take it out with my hands. It's gonna burn me. You gotta use a special glove. It's not gonna work.
Try the other one.
No.
Long night. Come on.
How was this supposed to help me?
There you go. Alright, now get a paper plate. paper plates because I hate washing dishes.
Get a paper plate. You go get it.
You jump. You jump up there.
You get it.
You jump and get that. Jump for the fans.
I can't even get it that high.
Jump for the fans. Okay. Alright, we stop. Yeah, you do that.
Okay, it's all right. Don't jeez me because I'm short. I'm average size. They're burning, hurry up. It's still hot.
No chocolate.
Yeah.
With your short ass.
Hey! You put it up there for a reason. Remember.
Whatever. Yeah, it's for me. Now to add mayo.
Dude.
You want mayo?
I do. That's what you put on it last time?
Jeez.
It's a lot of mayo.
I got a really squirt.
You got a squeezer. Teaser.
A squeezer teaser.
Don't leave her.
I won't.
Never leave her. Sausage. Oh. You can't see. Burnt. You see, that's how you gotta have it. Burnt. Burnt. More burnt.
It's not burnt.
It's burnt on the outside, and that's the best.
Yeah. Well, let's add the pepperoncinis.
Peppercini, can I add it?
Yeah. Here. Just fork them out.
Fork them?
Fork it!
Here. How much peppercini do you add?
It's up to you. I like a lot.
Me too.
Up to you. That's a good amount on both for me. If you want more. Yeah, come on. That left one. Yes, please. Alright. That's good. Let's add the sausage.
Sausage time, sausage time, sausage time. Another plate?
Yeah, I gotta cut it.
On a paper plate?
Yep.
Another one?
Yep.
I believe in you, babe. You can cut this.
I know I can. So first, you cut it in half. See if it's done all the way through. Yeah, it's done. I did this.
How do you know it's done?
The coloration of the inside. It's darker, unless it's brown. Jeez, this skin is tough. It won't just sit.
Cause it's burnt.
Right. Okay. There you are.
Beautiful.
Kinda, not really.
Beautiful.
So, once you cut them like that, then you just put them on the sandwich. So, bam. Bam.
Oh, you put two.
Oh, I have
For
it
the
upside down.
half.
It's upside down. Bam.
Okay.
That's what I mean.
It looks like it's going different ways. Go left, go right. Go left, go right. Don't go straight. What's this woman say? The same?
Same. Not supposed to say anything, it's a sandwich. They can't talk. It's supposed to get eaten. I can't wait.
I can't wait.
That's it.
It's good. It's good.
The kielbasa sandwich. Because Popeyes ran out.
Gotta make your own when you can't get what you want. Unfortunately. I guess that's a good thing though. Who's doing dishes now?
Should be you, because I cook.
I know. Thank you for cooking.
Yeah.
I did the peppercini.
Thanks.
Alright, you ready? Yeah, we're just gonna take a bite and try it for the camera. What? Cheers. I feel like it's gonna fall out.
That's good.
It's crunchy because of the bread.
Yeah, it helps that it's toasted and the cheese is melted too. It really helps to the taste.
This is so good. Well,
Yeah.
try it yourself. And let us know what you think.
Real. We have to let y'all go. This is too good. Alright, Arcade Brigade.
Adios.